everybody, welcome back to Divination Diva. So this is going to be a video about what is your current and upcoming energy. So this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. This is a general reading for the entire collective out there. So let's see. So what I will be doing I'll be drawing out cards for your current energy, and then I will be drawing out cards for your upcoming energy. So let's see. We already have cards coming up. Okay, current energy for the collective out there. Let's see. Okay. Queen of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Three of Wands, and the King of Cups. These cards which have the number 3 and 4, they are attracting me a lot right now. And the message for this is that your life is leveling up, and your life is in that continuous state of being in level 3 to level 4. I'll just draw a few cards for this. What is level 3 and what is level 4? Wait. Yeah, okay, this is exactly correct. Yeah. Okay. So for level 3, level 4, the 3 of Wands is all about alignment, peace, and calmness, and the 4 of Cups is contemplation, analysis, thinking about past patterns, thinking about life in general. And for these two cards, I got out 4 of Wands and Magician. Now, after the 3 of Wands, the 4 of Wands come up, but here we have the 4 of Cups. Is just this new level that you have to go up to. You're not able to find that harmony for that new level, and this new level, once you are in your own harmony, you will manifest everything you want. You will manifest everything, literally everything that you want. So remove all the emotional and mental doubts that you have. That is your current energy. You are carrying a lot of emotional doubts, you are carrying a lot of mental doubts, you are carrying a lot of will it happen, will it not happen, is it right, is it wrong, a lot of here and there energy. Release all of that, and you will be in that place of alignment and manifesting. You will be in that place of creating your own reality. And for the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Cups, for many people, you might be manifesting something in your love life. You might be manifesting your divine counterpart. It could happen, yes, but this could also mean that for many of you, this could also mean that having that control over your emotions, so you could have that groundedness, you could have that stability, you could have that feeling of feeling safe in your presence, feeling safe in your body. Emotions play a very important part in human life. Human body is 70% water is emotion, so it's like we are 70% emotions, and if the emotions are up and down, everything is up and down. So I see that many of you are not having that grounding and stability because the emotional part is not well. The emotional part is not okay. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the 10 of Pentacles. Let's just take 2 cards beyond that as well. Yeah. So underneath the 10 of Pentacles, we had the World and the High Priestess. Beautiful energy. You will literally manifest everything. A happy family, a love life, a grounding, stable future, money, abundance, everything. Trust your intuition at all times. All the past, remove all the past loose ends, remove all the shit of your past, and you will manifest everything. Literally, you will manifest everything. Your intuition is so good, your intuition is so heightened that it can help you to literally manifest everything and anything. Wow. The current energy is to really just get out of your up and down feeling and become emotionally stable, so that you can manifest a new beginning in your life. Could be financial, could be in your love life, could be just with yourself, could be anything. Could be both also for many of you. Let's see when it comes to the upcoming energy. Wow, this is beautiful. The readings are very beautiful. This this up and down feeling, this emotional up and down that you have is just because of your overthinking. It's just because of your over analyzing. It's just because of your mind running too much. And once you learn to do that, this feeling of up and down will go away, and you will manifest a lot of new beginnings and success. Six of Wands and Fool. um I see many of you just want to live a very carefree and happy life. You want to just embody that spirit of, I guess maybe a child spirit, or somebody who's just like very carefree, flowing with the universe, just like being present in the present moment, and like just enjoying life as it is. No thinking, no nothing. Whatever comes up, we'll take it as it is, be it good, bad. No fear, no nothing. Yeah. Let's draw out few cards for this Page of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. That what is this overthinking and why do you feel up and down again and again? Let's see what comes up. Yeah, so this overthinking, this over analyzing, and this again and again going in that place of doubt is because you think that with that spirit of, with that carefree spirit, with that childlike spirit, you won't be able to manifest abundance, and you won't be able to manifest love. You won't be able to manifest support and care from the universe, from human beings, from uh, anything. And you just have this very big fear that nobody will perhaps love you, or nobody will appreciate you, nobody will like your personality. But that is not true. Actually, people love your personality. Actually, you can manifest a lot of, the Ten of Pentacles came up again, you can manifest a lot of abundance from this. And this is just conditioning that is kind of stuck in your head, and it's again and again making you plunge down into that rabbit hole. Don't do that. This is just this is just this is just conditioning. This is just how society has kind of told you that you need to have this, you need to have this. No, no, no. You need to have what your intuition is saying. So you can do it. Be in that energy, be in that carefree childlike energy, and nothing will go wrong. You'll always be taken care of, and everything will happen good to you. You'll not find any, bad people or anything. No, 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 no. Actually, life will is very good for you. Life is very amazing for you, and life is very carefree. Life is full of abundance, and tell yourself that, we have the King of Wands over here. Tell yourself that my personality is amazing. I am amazing. What I do is amazing. The way I feel, think is amazing. And yeah, Page of Cups and World. Many of you are creative also. I see that. And creativity flows when the mind is at peace. Creativity flows when the heart is at peace. So for your creativity to flow, for you to be that perfect artist, for you to be that shining, shining artist, you need to be calm. Your mind has to be calm. And for your mind to be calm, you need to believe in yourself. You see how everything is just connected. And you need to believe in your personality, because your art comes out when you're at your most carefree. That's when your art comes out. That's when you can literally do anything. That's when you can literally go in that zone and do things. So that has to happen. That really has to happen. So, and you will manifest. Your upcoming energy is very amazing. It's very nice that you will manifest a lot of abundance. You'll manifest a lot of wealth. You'll manifest a lot of recognition also. For many of you, I see recognition. But the stuckness is all about this belief that the free flowing nature is not nice. The carefree nature in life is not nice. The you know, I'll there are so many Hindi songs that are coming in my head. uh, you just go with the flow. Personality is not nice. It is the best thing ever. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. It is the best thing ever. Trust it. Really, just trust it. So yeah, that is all I have for you today. Hope this helps. Also, like this video and share with your friends and family. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts about the video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I put up a new video, and I will see you next time. Bye.